Welcome back, Ridge. It's been a long time since we last seen y'all with the snow and everything, but I'm Ray.
And I'm Renee. Congrats to the girls bowling team for winning state.
Big shout out to Bella Nakos who performed with the Kentucky Allstate Band.
Indoor track won JCPS Indoor City Championships for the second year in a row. WPRP's very own Ravion Lee was named MVP. Congrats to him and everyone on the team. You can check out more pictures from our meet thanks to Anaries.
Spring is right around the corner, and with that comes the love to baseball season. If you're interested in joining the team, now is the time to do that.
Brandon Bratcher.
Landon Osborne.
Y'all are on the baseball team. Y'all are both returning varsity players. What do y'all plan to accomplish this year?
What I plan to accomplish is to win region and then go on to play in the state championship and just provide for my team.
I think that's the same goal that all of us have. Win regions and get to state.
Do y'all have any personal goals for this season y'all want to accomplish?
My personal goals is to win all region player, bat over 300, and pitch pretty good.
Mine are just to stay consistent, help the team, hopefully get better and get some offers.
Jay, who are we here with?
Joey Dudek.
And you play baseball?
Yeah.
Yeah, you play baseball. And what are you excited for this season?
What I'm excited for is that, it's been a while since baseball season, and this summer I was injured, so I had to take time off, a whole summer off, whole fall off, so I'm just really excited getting back into it.
For people looking to play baseball, can they still come? Is there a tryout? How do you play?
We don't do tryouts. You can show up, be at practice every day, and you'll make the team.
Okay. When does practice start and when do games start?
Practice starts, I think, in 2 to 3 weeks, and our first game will be March 17th.
Okay. What's your outlook on the season? What's your goals for the season?
Goal for the season is to hit 90 on the mound and to just win games. I mean, that's all we need to do.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Yep, thank you.
PRP heard from city leaders about a program that gives them a voice in the community. CJ has more.
I'm here to meet with the junior class of students that have a 3.5 GPA or higher, and we're looking for volunteers to work for the YALL program, the Youth Ambassadors Leading Louisville.
Oh. Can I ask you about, what is this program? What does it do?
It's a great program that gives students an opportunity to network with other students across the county and additionally work with the mayor's office to talk about how we can improve and get more people to attend events that are in our community, like Hike, Bike, and Paddle, World Fest, Light Up Louisville, and community events like that.
Okay. What do you think, or how do you think this will help the students that apply or the students that take part in it?
The students that take part will be selected on their leadership abilities, their desire to go out and how can they help the community, how can they be involved in the community, how can they be a voice to make things better, to make the community better, to make the events better. So we're really looking for those students that show that globally, culturally competent citizenship and how they can be involved. And the benefit for them too is networking with other students their age across all private and parochial schools as well.
Oh. Another question, is there any students that have already done this that have given any feedback on this program?
Yes, actually this will be the end of our third year, so our fourth year starting next year for the program, and students have given positive feedback because what they say has helped them the most is getting ready to prepare for college, service learning opportunities, networking, making friends, making connections, even making connections with the mayor's wife herself, and utilizing those folks for references, for college, for scholarship applications. So there's a lot of really good things that can come out of this program.
Okay. And finally, for the students that do want to take part in this program, what are the requirements or application process looking like?
Well, this is the easy part. All you need to do is scan the QR code, which will take you right to where you upload a video of yourself. Just a 60, 90-second video talking about your your goals, your plans, your skills and dispositions for leadership in our community, and why you value our community and how you want to be a help.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Senior defenses are still happening over the next few weeks. Good luck to the remainder of the seniors still doing that. Underclassmen, don't forget to be saving artifacts to your Journey to Success gallery to make that process easier when you are a senior.
Remember, next week students are off for the start of the week. Tuesday is parent-teacher conferences, and Panther Period is coming up on Thursday the 19th.
That's all for this week. Shout out to the Butler game on Friday, and enjoy y'all's four-day weekend.